Okay, imagine if you could make a version of you that talks, blinks, and even gestures, but it's not really you. It's your digital twin. This is called an AI avatar, and it looks insanely real thanks to a tool called Heygen. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be a tech wizard to make one. You can record a selfie video and click a few buttons and you're golden. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create a hyper-realistic avatar in Heygen step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have your own digital double that could literally do your Zoom calls for you. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start by making an account at heygen.com, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my alt account to illustrate. You'll do some quick verification stuff. Awesome. And you'll go ahead and make a password and hit create account. And once you have your account set up, you'll be invited to pick a tier. I personally recommend creator because, then you're not dealing with any performance limits, but we're going to start with free for this demo, and I'll ask you a few questions. This is just for their data. It doesn't really impact the function of Heygen for your account. And once you're done setting up your account, you'll be guided to this home screen here. And what we want to do is create your avatar. And you'll see there's video instruction. Right. And here we're going to upload 2 to 5 minutes of footage of ourselves talking about our day or about something that happened recently, about the weather. It really doesn't matter. And there's 2 ways you can upload those. You can upload a file from your device. It does have to be in MP4, MOV, or WebM. OBS, which is what I'm using, records everything in an MKV format. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, which is to give it a link to Google Drive. And there we have it. The next step is to record a quick video reading this script. This is very, very important. It allows Heygen users and everyone else to stay safe and not to clone one another, only themselves. And you'll also get an option to name your avatar. I'm gonna just name it test avatar. And all we have left to do is wait for it to wrap up. And it looks like my avatar finished up. Awesome. It looks like I unfortunately used the wrong footage to train the avatar on accident. Whoops. Not much I can really do about it now since there's a 1 month cooldown on when you can retrain your avatar. But as you can see, we can go ahead and click on it. Okay, and now we can make an avatar with our AI studio. So let's check out what that looks like. All right, now let's go ahead and type out our script. Great, now that our script is gone ahead and typed in, we can do a couple of other things here. For example, you can just go ahead and record your audio. You can upload, let's say you have an 11 Labs account and like a professional clone of your voice in there. I can show you how to do that in a future video. You can go ahead and upload that audio and the video will use that. Or you can just go ahead and type in the script and the in-house voice clone is going to go ahead and do that. So test a video, and there. We are going to go ahead and generate our video. By the way, there are more ways that you can create avatars. You can create digital twin avatars. You can make avatar 4 avatars. And then it'll give you this fun little feedback bit. How likely are you to recommend our editor to others? Given that this is a tutorial, I'd say like a 10. I am literally filming a tutorial right now. Comedy genius. So that's it. In just a few minutes, we turned a simple recording into a hyper-realistic AI version of me. And here's the thing. This isn't just a cool party trick. Companies are already using avatars like these for training videos, customer support, and even news broadcasts. The line between digital and real is getting thinner by the day, and tools like Heygen are leading this shift. This tech is powerful, and it's only getting better. The question isn't if avatars will be everywhere, it's when. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Black fin cutting through the blazing rain. Thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call.